Good morning, children. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. I believe you must have seen first video in which we have studied topographical map, use of colors, advantages of colors on topographical maps. Topographical map is the example of a small scale, which is the representation of the earth as a whole or a part of it, drawn to a scale on a flat surface. To the right hand side, in the corner, we could able to see the scale, by which we could able to relate it to the ground distance. Yes, you all might have guessed right about our today's topic, which is use of scales. What is the scale? Scale is the ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the Earth's surface, which can be expressed as scale is equal to map distance between 2 points over ground distance between the same points. Its types. There are three main methods of representing scale on the map. First is the statement of a scale. In this method, scale is given in words on a map. The scale may be indicated in the form of a written statement. For example, 1 centimeter on the map represent 1 centimeter, 1 kilometer on the ground. The scale is written as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer in words. Second is by representative fraction, which is written as RF. This is the ratio between the distance on the map and the corresponding distance on the actual ground. Here we are taking the example 1:1 lakh on the topographical map. What does it represents? This means that 1 centimeter on the map, which is the numerator, is equal to 1 lakh centimeters on the ground, which is the denominator. No particular unit of measurements is used with RF. RF is that unit of measurement of distances which require to be same. Here, how we have calculated 1 lakh centimeters? First, change both sides to the same units of measurement. We have taken first converted 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Then 1000 into 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So in the end we have got 1000 into 100 is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So it is represented as RF is equal to 1:1 lakh. Third is bilinear or graphic scale. In this method, the map is shown through a straight line. The length of the line depends on the size of a map. This line is divided into two parts, primary and secondary division. The first primary division are to the right of the 0, shows greater units, and the secondary divisions are to the left of the 0, which shows the smaller units, inches or centimeters. This scale is helpful in representing distances directly from the map. As on the map, the scale has already been mentioned. This is the most accurate method of measurement. Children, so far we have discussed what is the scale and its three types. Now we will understand how to measure distance on a map. To measure distance along a straight line, or as the crow flies, it can be done in two ways. First, measuring distance directly by the distance with a divider or ruler and then calculating the distance from the linear scale. In the images you can see X and Y, 2 points taken on the map. Then with the help of a scale, the reading has been taken and that has been directly taken to the scale and calculated what is the distance on the map. In the second way, with the help of a scale, if the distance between any two places is 2.5 centimeter, as the map distance, convert into actual distance, that is the ground distance. We have taken the example 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 2.5 centimeter will be converted to 2.5 kilometer. So this is the one way to calculate the distance on a straight line. Measuring distance along curves. To measure distance, like the course of a river, can be done either with a paper strip or a piece of thread. Certain steps to be followed in order to calculate the distance on the curves. Take a thread and put a knot on one end and then put the knotted end at the starting point, as you can see in the first image. Move the thread along the curved path. Mark with an ink dot at the end point, then stretch the thread along the linear scale. Calculate with the help of a scale as we have calculated in order to measure distance in a straight line. The distance is calculated in kilometers and meters, which are the greater units. Why we are showing it in the greater units? Because we are showing the distance on the ground. Children, you can practice this at home by following the steps. Next important element is the conventional signs and symbols. The maps that we use are very small in size, and to show a lot of information of a large area on a map, we use colors, symbols, signs and letters. Topographical maps use symbols to represent relief features, and human activities are called conventional signs and symbols. They are simple to read. Many of the signs and symbols are standardized and used throughout the world. Some of the signs and symbols are as follows. Here different colors are being used in order to show the different symbols. Marsh are being shown with blue color, coniferous forest green color, aqueduct, bridge, quarry shown with the black color. In the colors we have understood about the use and the advantages. Keeping in mind the importance, we could able to use the colors for showing the signs and symbols. Children, we have done basic concepts in practical geography, which include tropical map, the use of colors, the use of scales for measurement, measuring distances on the map, conventional signs and symbols on the topographical map. Children, you will get the worksheet based on the video today which we have seen. You will get images of conventional signs and symbols which you have to draw neatly with the understanding of the colors, and you have to use the colors in that which need to be drawn very neatly. Thank you class, and have a nice day.